Ayan, Sam ay nagluluto. Ayan po. Ayan. Mayroong bago din eh. Kaya ano natin, ayan ang DSW, Patawad Pamilya ng Pilipino Program. Ayan po ang voters registration. And ayan, new public library soon to be raised. So there they are. So ayan. Ay, umikot ako dito kasi mayroon silang bagong ginagawa. Mayroon akong nakita na bagong improvement. They are trying to, you know, have a new renovation sa park. Ito yung ginawa nilang bago. Ayan. Nagre-repent po sila. Ayan po. Kaya ako'y pumunta dito, tumiikot. Yan. Yan yung tindahan ng pangkalahatan ng municipal. Tabi lang po siya ng tourism office. Ayan po yung tindahan sa lahat. Mga snack, whatever you want to buy. And yan yung antique na bitaog. Ayan, ito yung back ng municipality. So this is it, yung bago nilang pintura. Hindi pa yari. Ito yung nakikita ko eh. So yan yung bagong improvement nila besides sa municipality. Yan, napakagandang tanawin. Ayan po, ini-improve nila. Ini-improve po nila yung beside ng municipality. Yan, napagkaganda po. Ito po yung bayan ng Palampong, lalawigan ng Leyte. Ayan. You see the improvement? Yeah, it's very colorful, and even the plants, it looks like they are all happy, and it looks as happy also. See, you see the improvement. You see the improvement. Very beautiful. They're just starting and not done yet. Di pa tapos. So ayan yun. So there it is. Ayan yung parkingan ng mga single motor while they're waiting for their relatives. Hi sir, magandang tanghali sir. Pasakay po.